Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure that everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.